Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you guys for 560 subs, and I really appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed, if you could please subscribe. I'm like over halfway to 600, that'd be great. Also, if you could check out my Twitch channel and maybe follow there, I'm gonna be starting to stream there more often. Have been the past couple days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paste a cheat and change the menu and stuff. This should be like a quick video because I'm only going to show like, you know, a couple things. But basically, like, I'm just going to demonstrate first with nskinz, and then I'll demonstrate with the osiris. But the reason why I don't want to just do osiris is because osiris has a lot of features for changing the menu. The menu within the cheat itself. But anyway, so first what you're going to want to do is like open into this folder, and this should work with any cheat that uses imgui. And you can tell if your cheat uses imgui by looking independent, or it might be in a different place, but you're just looking for like imgui.cpp, and if you see that, you know that your cheat or skin changer is using imgui for menus. But anyway, so what you're going to want to do is go to, like, it may be named something different, but in nskinz it's called render.cpp. And first I'm gonna show you really quick what the menu looks like before you edit it. And I just have like a clip I'll pull up. So it's basically like white text on a gray background. So anyway, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to render.cpp and go down to this section right here, style.colors, and here is where the colors of everything is determined. So like all these different things, like here is text, like all the text in the menu is right here, the color of it. Disabled text are like things that are disabled, and then like you have things like a slider, you know, check mark, which, like, when you click a box, the check mark will be whatever you determine. So basically what you do to edit this is, like, you go to this website I'll have here, this one, and you pick a color that you want, like of any color. So let's just do, like, I don't know, red or something. So I click choose, and then I'm gonna copy this code. There might be an easier way to get this information, but this is the way I've found how to do it. So I just paste that code into this website, and I click convert, and then you see these three numbers here. This is what you're going to want to copy and paste into that bar. Whoops, wrong thing. So let's say for text. So the first one, I'm going to replace the float with this float, and then do the same. And just, yeah. The fourth number here, this one, you don't need to change. I believe that's like alpha, which is, I think it's like transparency. I'm not certain of that, I could be wrong. But anyway, once you do that, you're going to want to build it again. And because I've already built it, it doesn't have to do much besides what I just changed. So then what I'm going to do is open the game. And I'm just in insecure mode, so because I think nskinz might be detected, I'm just using it as an example. It's very old and I don't think it's even updated anymore, but it still works, so that's why I use it. So I already have it open. Process hacker. Inject DLO. This is just the injector I'm using. So if I open the menu now, you can see the text is red, whereas it was originally like white. And that changes the text for everything, like I said. So you can go ahead and like do that with everything in the menu, like anything you want to customize here. There's a lot to do here. But one more thing I also want to show you really quick is how you can change the size of the menu. And that's normally in GUI in most sheets, so GUI.cpp. If you see right here, draw GUI, set next window size. If it's the first like window here, that's probably the main one, and I think that nskinz only has one window, so it's easier to identify. Anyway, as you could see when I showed it in the in like the beginning of the video, it was like a rectangle. So what I can do here is I can make this 800 or 700 if I wanted to make it a perfect square, but then I just build again, and now the menu is gonna be like bigger. But of course the stuff on the menu won't adjust for that. You'll have to do that like yourself. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I don't really know fully. Like I don't really know much about, you know, all this type of stuff. Just showing you what I know. So I'm gonna inject again. So as you can see, the menu is a lot bigger now. But like I said, the stuff didn't adjust here because it doesn't work like that. You have to change like more. You have to add columns, or basically, or you could remove a column. Like here, I'll show you what I'm saying. I'm not gonna do it, but I'll show you what I'm talking about while I am saying it. You see here, basically you see all these like the red text here, like add, remove. If you change the name of these, like if you change this text to something else, it will just change what it says in the menu. On the remove button, it will say something whatever you write. So basically, if you look, like these are all in one column up to a certain point, and you see here where it says next column, that's what I'm talking about. That's what separates like one side to the next side, which now then it will say like other things. I may be in the wrong place, I don't really know what I'm doing, but anyway, I'll also just show you really quick. One thing I showed how to do in my last video is like, how do you rename it? Well, you saw like it says nskinz at the bottom when I had the menu open. You can change that to like whatever you want. And that's pretty much it for nskinz. Or I'll just build and show you really quick what that looks like. I mean, it's pretty obvious. So now you can see, instead of it saying like nskinz by whatever that guy's name is, it just says osu. So now I'm going to show you how to do this in Osiris. So now I'm in Osiris source, but basically it's kind of like the same concept, but like I said, it's going to be named something different. So you're going to have to like try to figure it out yourself. Like, I'm sorry I can't give you an exact tutorial, but this is kind of meant to be like something you could use to anything that uses imgui. So basically with Osiris, you're looking for imgui_draw, and that's where you're going to find that same stuff here. See, these are the same colors as before, so now we can, I guess, pick a different color, because why not? And I believe the text is originally white, so I'll just pick this, copy it, and then paste it here, convert it. Now I'll paste these numbers in to the text section. See, I think you like with that, you'll just do like 1.0, I'm pretty sure. Even though it just says 1, you have to have a decimal point for a float, because that's what a float is, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna build this now. And I'll show you what it, I'll show you what it looks like in game. So as you can see, the text is yellow. Now, the reason I said there's not much of a point to do this with Osiris is you can change, like I said, all the text in the menu itself. So if you go here to style and you go to custom, you can see like you can change all this from here. So there's not much of a point to doing that like in the code itself if you can do that all like within here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm sorry it was short and didn't really provide much information, but I had people asking me about how you do this, so I just thought I would just make a quick video. And yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, yeah.